Cleaning up your financials before a sale is critical to maximizing value and attracting serious buyers. Start by reducing unnecessary expenses. Review your profit and loss statements to identify non-essential costs or personal expenses that can be eliminated. This not only boosts profitability, but also presents a leaner, more efficient operation. Next, normalize EBITDA by adjusting for one-time, non-recurring, or discretionary expenses such as owner perks or extraordinary costs. This provides buyers with a clearer picture of the business's true earning potential. Finally, ensure financial transparency by maintaining accurate, up-to-date records and, if possible, conducting a quality of earnings QoE audit. This builds trust and confidence with buyers, streamlining the due diligence process. Please feel free to connect with me by emailing me alan@pexits.com, and I will be happy to provide you a free market valuation of your company and connect you with one of our lead advisors specific to your needs.